In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a gift card on DoorDash. Whether you're trying to order your favorite meal, groceries, or retail items, knowing how to redeem a gift card can save you time and make the checkout process smoother. So let's dive in. First things first, we'll need to access the DoorDash platform, open your preferred web browser, and navigate to the DoorDash website. Once there, you might take a moment to look around if you're new to the site, but our focus is on getting that gift card applied to your account. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the Account button. Go ahead and click on that. This will bring up your account menu where you can manage various settings and preferences associated with your DoorDash account. Now, within the account menu, find and click on the gift card option. This section is where you can manage gift cards linked to your account. The gift card page is your hub for redeeming new gift cards or reviewing existing ones that you've already redeemed. To continue, we need to enter the gift card PIN. Keep in mind that your gift card should have a unique PIN. Ensure you've purchased a legitimate DoorDash gift card and have the PIN handy, as you'll be required to input this information. If you have a physical gift card, the PIN is usually found on the back, sometimes under a scratch-off patch. If it's a digital card, you'll likely find it in the email you received after purchase. Enter the gift card PIN into the designated field on the screen. It's important to enter this information carefully to avoid any errors. After you've correctly input the PIN, look for the Redeem or similar button to confirm your entry. After hitting Redeem, if everything was entered correctly, you should see confirmation that your gift card balance has been applied to your account. This balance is usually reflected in your DoorDash wallet and can be used towards your next purchase. It's worth noting that your gift card balance might not cover the entire cost of your order. In that case, the remaining balance will need to be paid using another method, so keep an eye on that at checkout. And there you have it, the simple steps to using a gift card on DoorDash. Now you can enjoy your favorite foods and more with ease. Remember, these steps can be repeated anytime you receive a new gift card. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thank you for joining me, and happy ordering on DoorDash.